Hi friends, Merly here and welcome back to Gardening in Kentucky YouTube channel. In this video, we're gonna have our May garden tour. So we are going to start here inside our greenhouse where we are growing 45 tomato plants. We have two varieties in this greenhouse. The two rows on the sides are reduced tomatoes, and we actually have harvested from these plants. The ones in the middle are called sun gold cherry tomatoes. So we have two different ways of trellising our tomatoes in this greenhouse. We have Florida weave on the side for our reduced tomatoes. We do not prune our red juice tomatoes. The only thing we do is remove the dead leaves and any leaves that touch the potting soil will be removed. Other than that, we don't really remove any of them. The ones in the center need to be pruned. Outside our greenhouse, we have started working on a plot. And then here on the side, we have our seedlings that are waiting to be planted in the ground. Some of them actually don't look that nice, but that's okay. We're trying our best to plant each one of these seedlings in our garden. So here we have some nasturtium seedlings. I noticed from the seed packet we have two colors, red and orange. And then here we have our lettuce beds. We grow Salanova lettuce and we found out that this variety is really good. So here we're trying to open one of the lettuce beds, and this lettuce looks so healthy because we have covered them with an insect netting. Earlier, I saw a few butterflies, and I'm hoping that these butterflies will not make their way into these beautiful lettuce beds. Here we have our blackberries. These are Chester blackberries that are loaded with fruit. Chester blackberries need to be trellised or staked, and so we had to put a cattle panel on this row because they were falling on the ground. Here we have some strawberries. These are ever-bearing strawberries that we've been propagating, and also some hot peppers already planted in this part of the garden. We've done some cleaning in this area, and then here we have some flowers. This is bachelor's button. We have different colors of bachelor's button, and the ones I'm showing right now. Next is strawflowers. Yeah, we've been harvesting from these strawflowers since the beginning of the farmers market, and they're really pretty. A week ago they were planted in the ground because we were growing them in the pot. So right now we're going into our front garden where we have planted some zinnias, gomphrenas, peppers, and tomatoes and cucumbers. So these two rows are Benary's giant zinnias. We have the mixed color variety. So far I've seen orange, white, and pink that came out. We removed the top of the zinnias to encourage branching. Oh, we also have the lime colored zinnias. Now these tiny ones, these are gomphrenas, and it's our first time to grow gomphrenas. I have seen them in pictures before, and actually I like how they look. So now we have here, it's a pink one. So far I've seen pink gomphrenas. I'm not sure if we have the white ones. I thought I got the mixed color gomphrena. seed mix, but we will see. And then this next row, we had to make some modifications in this part of the garden because apparently this part of the garden gets flooded when it rains, and we lost a bunch of plants last year. And so I created bigger holes in the fabric for our red bell pepper row. And then I added some compost in that row, and also we elevated this row a little bit and trenched. I created a trench right next to it, so that one is not yet done, but that will still be covered. Now back to the original garden, and we are showing our bachelor's buttons. We have mostly blue bachelor's buttons. We have some pink in here. I know I planted some white bachelor's buttons and some other colors, but so far we only have pink and blue. Next is our purple top turnip bed, and we've also been harvesting from this bed for a while now. I overseeded the bed, that's why there are so many and they're so tiny. But actually our customers like the smaller turnips. And then here in our greenhouse number 1, where we do our repotting, seeding, and everything, we also have hanging basket cucumbers. I have featured these cucumbers in my previous video. Now they're looking much better, and I moved them out of the other greenhouse because they got powdery mildew at one time. Now they're looking great, and they are actually producing with some tiny cucumbers hanging in the vine. And then here we have a few apple trees. The first one was Gala apple. This one is Yellow Delicious. They have some fruit, but we didn't really spray them with anything. This is supposed to be Honeycrisp that got stunted because of a flash freeze that happened like, I don't know, 5 years ago maybe. That was raspberry that we saw. This used to be another raspberry, but it's gone, so it needs to be replaced. And then this area is the next area that we're going to develop for a garden, but this is a lower part of the property where it gets more water when it rains, and so we are trying to put in some raised beds. So this is a work in progress where we're trying to fill our raised beds with tree branches and some scraps we collected from the garden.